Imagine gazing up at the night sky, knowing that somewhere, just over 4 light-years away, an Earth-like planet could be orbiting a nearby star. What if we told you that the most powerful telescope ever built might have just glimpsed a world that could change everything we know about our place in the universe? This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie or a distant dream, it's happening right now. And the implications are nothing short of extraordinary. Could Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our sun, be hiding a habitable world? A world where life might already exist, or where humanity could one day take its first interstellar steps? These are the questions that have captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. And today, we're diving into the incredible discoveries who are just being made. That might just bring us closer to answering them. At the heart of this story is the cutting-edge technology of the James Webb Space Telescope. Its ability to peer into the depths of space with unparalleled clarity has turned our wildest cosmic speculations into tangible data. When astronomers pointed this marvel of engineering at Proxima Centauri, they weren't just hoping for a glimpse of distant starlight. They were searching for signs of planets, signs of atmospheres, and perhaps even the faintest whispers of life itself. Proxima Centauri, part of the Alpha Centauri star system, has already captured the imagination of scientists for years. Its planetary companion, Proxima Centauri b, is a tantalizing candidate for habitability, orbiting in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions might just be right for liquid water. But with the recent advances in space observation, we're now able to ask deeper questions. Does this planet have an atmosphere? Could it be similar to Earth's? And most importantly, are we truly alone? Before we dive further into what's been discovered, let's take a moment to connect. If you're as fascinated by space exploration and the mysteries of the cosmos as we are, this is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button on Space Exploring and give this video a like. By joining our community, you're not just staying up to date on the latest breakthroughs, you're also supporting a shared passion for uncovering the secrets of the universe. Together, we'll continue this journey of discovery, one stellar revelation at a time. So, what makes Proxima Centauri so special? For starters, it's the closest star to our solar system, sitting a mere 4.24 light-years away, a distance that, while vast in earthly terms, is practically next door in the cosmic neighborhood. This proximity has made it a prime target for exploration. Add to that the fact that Proxima Centauri hosts at least 2 known planets, one of which, Proxima b, is within the habitable zone. That's already a lot to be excited about. But now, thanks to the unprecedented observational power of Webb, we're beginning to uncover details that were once hidden in the shadows of interstellar space. The telescope's ability to analyze the composition of atmospheres, measure heat signatures, and detect minute variations in starlight has given us the tools to probe Proxima b like never before. One of the most exciting revelations so far comes from Webb's spectroscopic observations. By studying the way starlight interacts with the planet's atmosphere, astronomers can identify specific molecules that might be present. Imagine the excitement when preliminary data hinted at the presence of water vapor, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. If confirmed, this would be one of the most significant discoveries in the history of astronomy. But it doesn't stop there. Scientists are also on the lookout for other biosignatures, like methane or oxygen, which could point to biological processes occurring on the planet's surface. While it's too soon to draw definitive conclusions, the possibility alone has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. But let's take a moment to dream bigger. What if Proxima b isn't just habitable but inhabited? Could there be microorganisms thriving in its oceans or even more complex life forms adapting to its unique environment? Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, which means its habitable zone is much closer. This results in a very different environment compared to Earth. For one, Proxima b might be tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is perpetually facing its star, while the other remains in constant darkness. This would create extreme temperature gradients, but in the twilight zone, the area between light and dark, conditions could be just right for life. It's a thrilling thought, one that blurs the lines between science fiction and scientific possibility. Of course, the discovery of a habitable or inhabited world so close to home would have profound implications, not just for science, but for humanity as a whole. Imagine what it would mean to know that we are not alone in the universe. It would challenge our understanding of biology, evolution, and the very nature of life. It would also spark new urgency in our efforts to explore beyond our own planet. Missions like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send tiny, light-powered spacecraft to Alpha Centauri, could become more than theoretical exercises. They could become humanity's first step toward interstellar exploration. Imagine the day we receive the first up-close images of Proxima b, transmitted back to Earth from a spacecraft traveling at a fraction of the speed of light. It sounds like science fiction, but with each passing discovery, it feels closer to reality. And let's not forget the broader implications of these discoveries. If we find evidence of life, or even the conditions for life on Proxima b, what does that say about the rest of the universe? Proxima Centauri is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way, and planets like Proxima b are likely far more common than we once thought. If life can exist there, it could exist almost anywhere. The universe, once thought to be a cold, empty expanse, might be teeming with life. This realization would fundamentally change how we view ourselves and our place in the cosmos. But there's also a flip side to this excitement. What if we find that Proxima b is utterly barren, despite being in the habitable zone? What if the conditions for life are far more rare and fragile than we've imagined? This too would be a profound discovery, one that underscores the uniqueness of Earth and the importance of preserving our own planet. Either way, the search for answers around Proxima Centauri promises to deepen our understanding of life, the universe, and everything in between. As we continue to explore Proxima b and its star system, it's important to recognize the collaborative effort behind these discoveries. It's not just about one telescope or one team of scientists. It's about a global community of researchers, engineers, and dreamers working together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Each piece of data collected, each observation analyzed, brings us one step closer to answering some of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. And in that sense, we're all part of this journey. By supporting space exploration, whether through funding, advocacy, or simply sharing the excitement, we're contributing to a legacy that will inspire generations to come. So, as we look toward the future, let's keep asking the big questions. Let's keep dreaming of what might be out there, waiting to be discovered. Proxima Centauri and its enigmatic planet are just the beginning. There are countless other stars and planets waiting to be explored, each with their own stories to tell. And who knows? Perhaps one day, a future generation will set foot on a distant world, looking back at Earth as we once looked up at the stars, filled with wonder and curiosity. Until then, we'll keep watching, keep exploring, and keep believing in the boundless potential of the cosmos.